Okay, so if the title got you, yeah, it's because it actually was free. And here, you can see, it was free. We actually got this car for literally nothing. But it had a big problem, so we kind of had to get into that.
Oh, man. A little bit more.
You just wish it'll engage.
Yes. Come on, man.
Alright, I'm gonna go on eBay and order a clutch.
Yeah.
They're like $300, that's it. Yeah. Used. New, they're like $3 grand. But
Man.
not getting a new one.
Yeah, so with that, man, we were up for another challenge. So it was time to get this Maserati pulled inside and see what we were going to have to do to drop the transmission out of this sucker and replace the clutch, which apparently is dreaded by a whole bunch of people. But you know what? We did this stuff every day, so I figured it would just be fun. It's going to be a great learning experience because it's something we don't get to work on every day. I mean, we get to work on Ghiblies and other stuff like that because we have one, and we have a customer that has one. But yeah, so it's what we had to do. So we had to get it racked first, send this thing up to the sky, and then give it a little good once over look and make sure everything seemed good. And with that, it's time to just dump the back end right out of it. And as you can see, yeah, it just dumps the back end right out. I mean, tubular drive shaft, this thing was beyond its time. I mean, for a 2007 model, you got to think this thing was really engineered just like a Formula One race car. So once we got all that going, we got the clutch in, and once we could look at the clutch, we didn't really see too much wrong with it. But I guess I was gonna joke around here for a second.
20 degrees north, 5 degrees left. Poof.
It does, look like a cannon, bro. Yeah, fucking cannon. That's the craziest drive shaft I've ever seen.
Look at that, man. This is very thin, dude.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's holded by the...
And so I went on
This one's
eBay.
like worn down to nothing.
eBay's my favorite
What's
place
weird
to be.
is typically
And
on
just
like a
like
normal
that,
car,
there
this
was
would
a
still work.
$500 clutch on there.
Like it would
Now,
work
a new
until this
clutch
whole
is gonna
piece
cost you
like
about
just came off in
$5,000,
section.
but
this
I
one
mean,
will still
we were kind of going for
like
budget
typically
on
work on.
this, just to show this doable for anyone that wanted to do it, and just I guess to prove it to ourselves. But so with that, we torqued down the new flywheel and clutch assembly and threw the bell housing on and got ready to, I guess, full send, right?
There it goes.
That's. Oh shit.
GTA! Word!
And you're probably wondering, well, I wonder how much Maserati would cost, to do this job. And we were really curious too, so we decided to give him a call.
Need to order parts. It'll take about 5 to 7 days to come in. And the total price for parts, labor, and tax is $15,762.
Okay, awesome. I'll let the customer know. Thank you.
Of course, if you like, I can give you my direct line. So if they
Yeah, and if you're wondering, yeah, you heard that right. 15 grand.
Of course,
In
yeah.
fact,
Go ahead.
that's about the price of the car on Marketplace right now.
214 849 5352.
And it started out with literally just a simple conversation. I just wanted to see some interior pictures, but you know what? I guess this guy had other ideas. I know he couldn't keep the car. There was some reason why he had to get rid of it, but he was honest. He said, hey, it needs a clutch, won't drive. What do you want to do about it? So
Back to the free Maserati that we have like absolutely nothing in at this point except for $500 so far. So since we only have $500 in it, and it needs a couple other things, I'm not gonna lie, but not really too concerned about those right now. I wanted to go ahead and add something, I don't know, a little bit cooler to it, like makes it loud. There's not really good exhaust for this car online. Even though it's, pretty old, you'd think that they'd be out there, but people have kind of moved on, which sucks. But on Amazon for $167, I got something pretty cool. Okay, so we've got our box, our $167 box from Jeff Bezos. So we're gonna open it and take a look what we got. Diverters. Diverters. Modules. Modules. Another diverter. And I think it's got a clicker for like being able to just, you know, boom, 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 boom. Oh, it does. It does. It does right here. We have a little clicky. A little clicky. Ooh. Ooh, that's fancy. Okay, so with that, today, we're gonna try and find time. It's been a really busy 2 weeks. We barely got that clutch in because we had so much other stuff going on in the shop. So we're gonna take, hopefully today, we're gonna get this in. I'm really hoping, like really hoping, because I really wanna hear it. So stay tuned.
Yo, I'm about to like mark up this shit. 2 minutes, 3 minutes of him fucking with a helmet just to fucking. We're not gonna line up right. No. You're gonna have to tack one side and then.
Sorry, I hit my arm.
Solid.
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay, so not gonna lie, for $170 for modification, it's pretty cool. I mean, diverter valves, man, didn't we all want that in high school? But who would have thought we'd actually stick it on a Maserati? You know, it really does go to show sometimes just the small things can bring you a lot of happiness in your own life. But with that, just go ahead and tap it a few times, check that all the wires are good, and let's go ahead and give it a test run. Now, the coolest part about these is they're electronically controlled, so you just really hit the electronic keychain and you can open and close them whenever you want. Now, long-term use, will they work or will they hold up? Who really knows? But at this point, hey,
Okay,
I'll take
all right,
it.
first step, blue tape. go with the rough stuff. Okay, so this one moves much faster. We'll see what it does with the polish on it. And if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna... No. To me, I think I need to re-wet sand it, but with this drill instead, so. Wet sanding again, this is the 800, we'll go to 1500, 3000, and then we'll polish it.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Why?
You gonna drive from the passenger side? Yeah, you gotta put your foot on the brake.
I'm getting there. I'm kind of short. Okay.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't even know how to start this thing.
Pull the key back. You already done screwed it up. All right. There you go.
Oh. Hold on, safety first.
Okay.
All right.
All right. The park brake's up.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So this little lever, that's what changes it. So you got to go to drive. Okay. So this is where it gets a lot more fun. Okay. All right. You ready? Hold on. Stop. Stop.
I know. I'm trying.
Okay. So on that fob right there. Okay. Right there. I want you to hold the unlock button. Okay.
Something
Now
wrong.
we're gonna go into that mode, which is manual. We're gonna go in sport. Just say manual sport. Okay.
Yeah.
When you do this, what you have to do is you're going to you need to wrap it all the way until it goes pretty much to the red line, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna drive it like, I'm talking full gas, all the way until you hit about 7,500.
Okay.
And that's when you're gonna go boop and shift, okay? So you're gonna drive it like a race car,
Okay.
not a grandma.
Okay.
So
Okay. Come on. Ready?
go.
I thought I was.
There you go. Boop. Don't let off.
sorry,
Don't let
sorry.
off. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. One more.
Okay, I can't. I'm gonna lose control. Do I downshift?
No, wait.
Okay.
Now downshift. Downshift. All right, now you can go again. There you go. You're getting it. That's how you do it right there.
My gosh, this thing goes fast.
Yeah, I know. You like the downshifting now?
Oh, wait. Oh shit, I keep letting off the gas like it.
Yeah, you don't. You just hammer through. It's gonna do the work for you. All right, pull over right here.
Pull over where?
No, you know what? You just, hold on. No one behind us. Slow all the way down. You can get one last pull until we hit the shop. All right, so go ahead.
Go?
Downshift. No. Downshift. Go all the way down. No one behind us. No,
Okay.
all the way down. Slow all the way to like nothing.
Oh, there is someone behind us.
No, like way back. Okay, go ahead. Box. There you go.
Gosh. Down?
Yep.
Hold on, I want to go. Hold on.
Bam.
Gosh, this thing is so fast. It's like my heart is beating so fast.
There you go. God, that's meaty. All right, this time when you go into it, stay with it
I know my heart's beating really fast.
because you're nervous.
I know. I don't like driving fast.
Oh, come on. Everybody likes driving fast.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
That was good. You did good on that one.
Yeah.
Whew. can go swing it wide. There you go. Swing it wide.
It's
Swing it
okay.
wide.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll just.
What are you doing?
I'll just back up right here.
You got someone behind you?
No.
Oh.
They're far.
This thing guzzles gas. Bad. It's thirsty. It's very thirsty. Meanwhile, in Roy City, Texas.
Oh shit. Oh.
You wanna go? We're going through the gate. You got it.
Like revs up.
All right. So, what do you think for a car that we only got for free?
I like it. This is really cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
Well, cool. It's ours.
Good. Oh my goodness.
So I can keep it.
Yes, you can keep it.
She said I could keep it. It was free. That's why.
Yeah, that's the only reason.